Hi, welcome back to my one question tutorials. And today's question is, how do I comment and like someone's post? And to answer that, we're going to start by taking a look at my account on the phone. So let me put it up on the screen. So here we are on my Twitter account. And here at the home, I can see some posts, not too many right now that I have decided to follow. Here we have a post from me as a Swedish fika. What is going on? I can do a few things. I can comment, I can retweet it, I can like it, and I can share it. So let's see what to do when we comment. That is a valid question. And let's add a little smiley and reply. So now you see this post has one reply. If I want to show that I like the post, all I have to do is to click the little heart. The other two functions, retweet and share, we're going to look at later on. But now let's take a look at how this looks on a website. So here you can see my account on the website instead. And as you can see, here is the post, and you can see that it has one comment, and that is mine. You can see it down here. And you can see that it has one like. Now, let's show you what happens on the other end. This is the account that I replied to, and I get two notifications. One, that PixelPia tutorial replied with "this is a valid question" and a smiley, and that PixelPia tutorial liked my tweet. I hope this tutorial helped you answer the question, how do I comment and like someone's post? Until next time, hej då!